and get the lights going. How are we gonna do the lights? I'm thinking we get like a 1x10. Even, I don't know, I got scrap wood around. Sink these on there, put them on here. You can't see that. We have this pole here that used to be the backdrop for the old podcast. Shout out, I am a reuser and cheap as all get out. But this goes up and down. We'll get like a 1x10, something along these lines, mount them on there, and then we can control the height using this pole. Let's make sure it goes down low enough. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, 20 inches or so? Make it about 20 inches. We'll stagger these for the proper length. I don't know if you can see that. Of course not. So I said we're going to do about 20 inches. And then these are only like, ooh, that looks like 13 and a half. But we'll stagger them across the board to get like a even light type thing. Oh, I like it. I like it. Let's go grab the little camera, see what kind of wood we can find. What'd I say, 20 inches? Well, before we have to go outside, because it's cold out there, let's check the secret wood hiding spot. Ooh, 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 ooh. Let's see. Oh, what? This is it. That's our light. Let's see how wide it is. 2 foot. Tremendous. And then, let's see what we got over here. I don't know how anyone does anything with one hand these days. 17 3/4-ish. So 17 and a half, that's close enough to 20 for us. We're not splitting the atom, we're just growing dirt. So, I'm going to cut this in half, make our lights. I'm thinking something like this, huh? I mean, how accurate does it have to be? We're not growing the devil's lettuce over here. Something like that. That would be Art Deco, and then he's in the blind, so I'm thinking something. And this one gets this one, this one gets this one, this one gets... Yeah, I'm thinking something like that. Because if I was to go like that, nah. I'm thinking this. I'm going this way. Even comes with screws. Fit-a-roomy. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Although I'm putting all this work in, I haven't even plugged them in yet. I shouldn't tout them. For these, I just got some coax hangers. I'm gonna be really mad if this doesn't work, or the lights don't work. Let's try these. Power! What is this? Alright, so I went into the junk drawer, and this is what I came up with. A couple of dirty old picture hangers. And I'm going to put them, try to get them on center as best I can. And just hang it that way. Junk drawer screws, junk drawer handles. Make sure I'm not punching through. No. Hitting a light. I don't mind punching through. I just don't want to hit a light. They sent over like 50 million zip ties. So instead of dipping in my stash, and then this way to go onto the bar. Try this out. Okay, first attempt. It's a little this way. So what can we do? I can move this over here. Oh, look at that. What? Look at this. Bro, who is... I'm going to bring you guys down. Check this out. Look at this. Now let's hit the line. Ow! We are regular green thumbs. Sweet. Obviously the big one's got to move, but bro, who's better than us? I'll move the thermostat out of here. But this is fantastic. So for that, so for this big guy in the back that obviously outgrew the solo cup already, I do have another, I got a bunch of big orchid pots. Should be plenty wide enough. The only problem is right now is this was outside. This is regular potting mix, not starting soil, and it is freezing. So I'm not going to move him just yet. I'm sure he's just happy to be out of the plastic bag. And I'll keep them moistened till the morning, and then we'll transplant them over here. So I'm going to make another light for the other side and be done with this. Also, I got some of these. These are Mylar safety blankets. We used to use them in the apartment to block off of our windows like real Alex Jones people. The reality was we had a west-facing window in the living room, and it just made the room unbearably hot up on the top floor. So instead of throwing, even though they're only $1, I am cheap after all, and I kept them. And look at this. 5 months of being here, I found a use for them already. So I'm going to drape this whole thing in the Mylar, get those electronics out of there, and just kind of let this do its thing, and we'll come back tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. You didn't think I was going to let you go without taking a look under, right? Look at this. It's like we're growing special crops. Scooby snacks. Awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.